Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. So, now we'll begin with a new exercise, that is exercise 6. What is there in exercise 6? Subtraction of fraction. It's same like addition of fraction. Nothing, no any extra thing is there instead of plus and minus. In addition of fraction, plus was there. In subtraction of fraction, minus is there. Okay, nothing extra. All the process are same, no change in process, only in place of addition subtraction is there. Got it? So now one question I will do in question number 1, and already you have solved previous exercise, so you can do all the exercise as it is. So one question number 1D, 5 by 6 minus 1 by 4. How to solve this one? Fraction is 5 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is your question. Now what is our first step? Our first step here is to find the LCM of both the denominator 6 and 4. So LCM of 6 and 4, how much will get? Is 6 divisible by 4? No. So we cannot take the larger number as LCM. So what we have to do? Here will have to find the LCM 6 and 4. So both numbers will be divided by 2. So 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. Then 2 3 as it is, 2 1 is 2. Then 3 3 1 is 3 and 1 as it is. Now you can see here in the last we are getting 1 1. So we'll stop here. Now what will be our LCM? LCM of 6 and 4, how much will get? LCM will be equal to this 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 3. Got it? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So the LCM how much we are getting? 12. Okay, so we'll write here the LCM is 12. So equal to, and whatever LCM you'll get here, just you write as denominator. Now what is our next step? This LCM we have to divide with the denominator. So 12 if you'll divide with the denominator 6. So how much you'll get? 6 2 is 12. Okay, so answer 2 you'll get. Got it? Answer you'll get here 2. Now this 2 whatever you have got, you have to multiply with what? You have to multiply with numerator. So 2 into 5, how much you'll get? You'll get here 10. So 10 you write here. Now here you can see here minus sign is there. Can you see here? Minus sign is there. So here also you'll write minus sign. Okay. So here we'll write minus. Now what is our second step? This 12 we have to divide by the denominator 4. So if you'll divide 12 by 4, how much you'll get? 4 3 is 12. Okay, so what we are getting? 3. Now this 3 what you have to do? This 3 you have to multiply with the numerator 1. So 3 into 1 how much you'll get? You'll get 3 only. Got it? Now equal to this 10 minus 3 how much you'll get? 7, and in the denominator how much is there? 12. So answer we are getting 7 by 12. Okay, nothing extra is there. It's all same like we have done in addition of fraction. Only the difference is, what is the difference? Earlier we have done plus, so here plus sign was there. so we were taking here plus. Now minus sign is there, so here we are taking minus. Rest are everything same. Okay, so we'll do one more question. Now come to this question, question number F. What is that? 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. Okay, so we'll solve here. 3 by 4 minus how much was there? 5 by 8. So we'll write here 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. Okay, now what we have to do? The first step is to find the LCM of both the denominator 4 and 8. What will be the LCM of 4 and 8? As I told you that LCM, if we have to find the LCM of two number 4 and 8, we have to see that the greater number is divisible by the smaller number or not. So if it is divisible, then the larger number, that is 8, will become your LCM. Okay, so here what will get the LCM? We'll get the LCM 8. So we'll write the LCM in the denominator. Now what we have to do? We have to divide the LCM 8 by the denominator 4, and whatever we'll get, that we have to multiply with 3 numerator. Okay, so 8 divided by 4, how much we'll get? 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4, how much you'll get? 4 to the 8. Okay, so this 2 we are getting. So this 2 now will multiply with the numerator 3. So 2 into 3, how much we'll get? 6. So we'll write here 6. Now after that, here minus sign is there, so here also we'll write minus. Now second step, this denominator LCM we have to divide with denominator. So 8 divided by 8, how much we'll get? Any number divided by itself, we get answer 1. Now this 1 will multiply with the denominator or numerator 5. So 1 into 5, how much we'll get? 5. So we are writing here 5. Now this 6 minus 5, this 6 minus 5, how much we'll get? We'll get 1. And in the denominator, what is there? 8. So we'll write here 8. So this will be your answer. Got it? So I hope you'll able to do all the questions in part 1. Question 1, all the questions you can do. Okay, now come to question number 2. Question number 2. Now you can see in one fraction it is mixed fraction. Can you see here? Mixed fractions are there. So it's same like, first of all, what we have to do? The mixed fraction will change into what? Into improper fraction. Then we'll solve as it is. Okay, so mixed fraction will change in improper fraction, then we'll solve as it is. Okay, like subtraction of fraction. So now just look at here, question number 2a. This question I am solving. 4 minus 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay, so we'll write that part. 4 minus 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay, this is our question. This part we have to solve. So what we'll do? We can see here that the second one is in mixed fraction and the first one is not in fraction. So any number we can write in fraction. If 4 is there, then in fraction we can write as 4 by 1. If 7 is there, then 7 we can write in fraction as 7 by 1. 100 is there, then we can write as fraction by 100 by 1. Okay, so 4 will write in fraction as 4 by 1. Okay, so this will write as 4 by 1. Got it? Now here minus sign is there, so we'll write here minus. Now what we'll do, this 2 will multiply with 3, 2 3 is 6, and with numerator we'll add it. So 2 3 is 6 and plus 1 will get here 7. And the denominator will write as it is, 2 will write as 2 only. Okay, in the previous class I told you how to change the mixed fraction. Now what is our fraction now? Now we have got the fraction as 4 by 1 and 7 by 2. Now what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of both the denominator. LCM of 1 and 2 will be how much? Any number with 1, if we have to find the LCM of 1 and 5, LCM will be the larger number. If we have to find the LCM of 1 and 100, LCM will be 100 only. If we have to find the LCM of 1 and 7, LCM will be 7 only. So with 1, if we have to find the LCM of any other number, then the other number will always become the LCM by default. Okay, because 1 with 1 all the numbers are divisible. Okay, so we'll write here what will be our LCM here, 1 and 2. LCM will be how much? LCM will be 2 only. So we'll write here the LCM 2. Now this 2 LCM we have to divide with denominator and multiply with numerator. So 2 if you divide with 1, 2 if you divide by 1, how much you'll get? 1 2 is 2. Okay, so we'll get here answer 2, and this 2 we have to multiply with numerator. 2 4 is how much we'll get? 8. So we'll write here 8. Okay, 8. Now minus is there, so we'll write here minus. Now again the LCM will be divided with the second denominator. 2 divided by 2, any number divided by itself, it becomes 1. So 2 by 2 1, and this 1 will divide by numerator, that is 7. So 1 into 7 how much will get? 7. So 8 minus 7. Now how much will get? 8 minus 7 will get 1, and in the denominator 2 is there, so the answer will be 1 by 2. Got it? I hope this is clear to you. So now we'll do another question. Now come to question number G. 5 whole 3 by 4 minus 2 whole 1 by 2. Okay, so we'll write here 5 whole 3 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 2. 2 whole 1 by 2. Here 4 is there. 2 whole 1 by 2. So this is our question. Okay, now we have to solve this. So what is the step to solve? First of all, what we have to do? We have to change into what? We have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we'll multiply 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. And in denominator 4 is there, so we'll write here 4 as it is. Now here minus is there, so we'll write here minus. Now 2 into 2 4 and plus 1, how much will get? 5. So 5, and in the denominator 2 is there, so we'll write here 2 as it is. Now the mixed fraction we have changed into what? Improper fraction. Now what is our next step? Our next step is to find the LCM of 4 and 2. Now look at here, 4 and 2. This 4 and 2, what is the larger number? 4. Larger number, is it divisible by the smaller number 2? 4 is divisible by 2. So 4 will become the LCM. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to divide the LCM by the denominator. 4 divided by 4, how much will get? 1. And this 1 will multiply with the numerator. 1 into 23 will get 23. Now here minus sign is there, so we'll write here minus as it is. Now this 4 divided by 2, how much will get? 4 divided by 2? 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So we are getting 2 here. Now this 2 we have to multiply with what? We have to multiply with 5. Numerator, 2 5s are 10. So we'll write here 10. Okay. Now 23 minus 10, how much will get? 23 minus 10, if you'll subtract, then you'll get 13. 13, and in denominator 4 is there, so we'll write here 4. Now look at here, 13 by 4. You can clearly see that numerator is greater than the denominator. So it has become improper fraction. So improper fraction we have to change, always change into mixed fraction. So we'll change this part into what? Mixed fraction. So 13 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, the remainder will be 1. Okay, so now we'll write equal to the quotient part we write as the whole number, and the remainder becomes the numerator 1 by this 4. 3 whole 1 by 4. Okay, so this is our final answer. Got it? So I hope you can do exercise 6. You can do statement questions, you can do on your own. Okay, and don't put so much, don't lose your sleep in what will happen in statement question. It's same only, just we have to read it and write in fraction like this, and just subtraction is there. Okay, so I hope you can do exercise 6 now. Got it? Now tomorrow we'll discuss exercise 7. Okay, exercise 7 tomorrow we'll do. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.